So I have just logged into my Hostinger account, and I have also logged into the another account where I want to transfer my domain. So I want to transfer this domain tutor for tutorials.click, and to transfer it I have to go towards the domain, and here I have to click on manage. And now after clicking on manage I have to go towards this domain ownership section, and right here I have to click on here move, right next to move to another hostinger account. So I have to click on move, and here I have to type the email address where I want to transfer this domain. I have to write that email address where the other account is created. So let me type that domain, let me type that email address. After typing that email address, I have to click on send request, and this request will be sent to that hostinger account. So you can see you are waiting for that specific email to accept the request. If they don't confirm within 10 days, it will be cancelled automatically. So now I have to open that other account, and I have to open my Gmail address or email address, whether your account is created on Gmail or email respectively. So I have received this uh, mail from hostinger, and here I have to confirm it. I have to verify if I am a human or a robot. So I have to check this, and it is verified now. And let's wait for it to complete its loading process. And now I am in my domain portfolio, and I have to accept it, and I will click on accept. And here you're about to accept the request for that specific domain to move to your account. I will click on confirm, and it is confirmed now. So I have to add the contact details for that specific domain. I have click on next step, and here I have to uh, choose my province and other specific details, and then click on finish registration and moving domain. Now we are confirming the domain move request. It can take some time for the domain to be moved to your account. I will click on continue, and now I have to verify it from both the accounts, from both the hostinger's account where I am sending it and from where I am sending it. So I will go to that mail again, and here you can see I have received another email from hostinger. I have to click on accept here, and the registrant change has been verified successfully. Now I have to do the same with this account. I will open my Gmail here as well, and from here I have to do the same thing. I'll click on accept. Registrant change has been verified successfully. So now I will close this page from here and click on check again, and domain move completed for that specific domain. And if I you can see domain move has been completed and will appear in your list in a couple of minutes. So it will be here within a few minutes. So I have to refresh this page. I have to refresh my receiver hostinger account, and you can see it is now here. I can use this domain to create a new website. So in this way you can transfer a domain from your one hostinger account to another hostinger account. Hope you like this video. If this video helps you to learn something new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.